we have a list of words, and we want to gather together the ones that are anagrams, meaning the same letters in a different order. Eat, T, and 8 all use the letters A, E, and T, so they belong in one group. The question is how to tell quickly which words share the same letters. Here is the trick. If we sort the letters of a word alphabetically, we get a signature. Eat, T, and 8 all sort to a ET, so they share one signature, while bat sorts to a BT. Anagrams and only anagrams produce the same signature. So we use a hash map whose key is the sorted signature and whose value is the list of words that share it. As we go through the words, we compute each signature and drop the word into its bucket. Because the hash map finds a bucket in order one time, one pass groups them all. We keep a hash map called groups. For each word, we sort its letters and join them back into a signature string, which is the same for all its anagrams. We use setDefault to get or create that signatures list, then append the word. At the end, we return all the buckets as a list of lists. Let's build the anagram grouper live, block by block. Start with an empty hash map that will send each signature to its bucket of words. For each word, sort its letters into a signature and drop the word into that signature's bucket. Return all the buckets, each one a group of anagrams. Now let's test it and hit run. There we go. Eat, T, and 8 land together, Tan and Nat form another group, and Bat stands alone. The flow in short. Start with an empty map. For each word, sort its letters to form a signature, then append the word to that signature's bucket and loop. When the words run out, return all the buckets. For each of the n words, we sort its k letters, which costs k times the logarithm of k, so the total time is n times k log k. The space is order n times k to hold all the words across the buckets. 3 notes. After sorting, join the letters back into a string, because that string is what we use as the map key. A plain list cannot be a hash key since it can change, but a string or a tuple can. And if you want to avoid sorting, a count of each letter can serve as the signature just as well.